1 go.
है जवानी है दीवानी हाँ मेरी रानी I thought you said you were good at dancing. What? वार करना है तो सामने वाले के गोल पर नहीं सामने वाले के दिमाग पर करो गोल खुद ब खुद हो जाएगा. What are the odds?
मैं एक जन को मैंने बोला था कि hey, I like you and this is that meme कि the worst she can say is no. She just said please don't like me.
Shit. मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है. He's gonna get it. Okay, go.
ओढ़ के धानी रीत की चादर आया तेरे शहर में.
दीवाना तेरा.
Thank you.
He knows.
He knows the song.
The most common comment on any of my YouTube videos
Yeah?
is like, oh, Sanjay Leela Bhansali अब comedy कर रहा है because
Oh,
I
yeah, I just.
it's
How
my
did I not see
it's
this?
my own. बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है रेखा. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They are content writers, they are content creators and writers. First up, we have Shubham Sejpal.
My name is Shubham Sejpal. I am a comic and filhal only comic. I would like to be other things, but
Like a biggest Bollywood Badshah, you would like to be.
yeah, वो तो शाहरुख खान है. I can't top it, but yeah, maybe probably next to him.
But dude, that's what this show is about. You becoming a bigger Bollywood Badshah than Shah Rukh himself.
do you mean शाहरुख ये शो पे नहीं आने वाला है कभी? But
that also you can
sure.
take it to mean that. I have no thoughts about Shah Rukh ever giving this show a chance.
अरे आएगा अपने साथ भी PS खेलेगा. Don't worry.
Shout out to AIB.
Sure, buddy.
Also joining us is Varun Nair.
Hello. Hi. So yeah, my name is Varun. I am a stand-up comedian, and after a brief stint in Too Hot to Handle, now being eliminated in the second round.
Second?
So, second.
Too hot to handle थाने किधर आता है?
Wait,
कौन से?
there was one person who was not as hot as you. And then everyone else was hotter.
Exactly.
That's it.
So yeah, it was in Godbandar Road specifically. In the potholes of Godbandar Road, I was the ninth hottest person. So thank you. I appreciate the love. So, but hey, huge fan of the show.
That's
And
very sweet.
genuinely enjoy this and honored to be part of the show. And also, I
That's very
can't wait to eat shit in this show. Because to be honest, I thought I'll trash talk and stuff.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I'm not good. But if I win, the cred which I will get and my entire life will be just spent on shitting on him.
Oh wow.
So yeah.
Okay,
that-
nice.
Very
Something to
really
look
looking
forward to at the end of this.
अभी
100%.
तक तो मैं जीतने के मोटिव से नहीं आया था, but अभी तो मैं आया हूँ.
अरे
I'm also taking inspiration from ex-Pakistan captain Sarfaraz. Except eating shit, my answer also same.
So great. Welcome to the show, guys. Varun and Shubham. Guys, Varun told me before the show, Shubham, that he and his wife play the show. And dude, they pause and like try to answer the questions before the comics can. I fucking love that. Dude. That's too
Yeah.
flattering.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Genuinely.
Okay, nice.
Amazing. I also need a wife, it means.
Yes, one audience member is very excited. The audience member is Divij. If you have been watching this show for a few weeks, you will know he is a repeat guest. Hey, Divij, can you shout? Say hi. Okay, great. That's a very nice shout.
That was not an orangutan.
That's that's not a gorilla who's broken into the sea.
I aspire to be Divij, regular guest on the show.
Nice, huh? What nice. Divij is also our scorekeeper today, so you have to be
cool.
nice to him, guys. Every time you get an answer wrong, you have to give him a compliment. Because
okay.
otherwise you get minus points.
Oh,
That's not a thing. We're just introducing that. But
Easy,
ठीक है,
bro.
keep it in mind.
पहले राउंड का अभी दे देता हूँ. Divij is a keeper.
He's a keeper.
Scorekeeper तो है,
Scorekeeper. But
sorry.
goalkeeper sometimes. Also.
I think you're beautiful, man.
Hi, man.
I think I won.
Nice. He's saying thanks. Oh, you're so handsome. You got to be flirting with Divij now. That's what the episode is about.
Everybody uncomfortable. But let's go.
All right. What is the most recent Hindi Bollywood film that you guys have seen in theaters or Netflix, whatever?
Oh,
What did I fucking watch?
And what did you think of it? What did you watch?
Yeah,
I
दिन
watched
नहीं आ
Kill. I watched Kill. Fucking loved Kill.
Yeah, I wanna
We
watch
were
it.
planning to watch.
I watched Kalki. I really enjoyed Kalki.
Yeah.
Yeah. तूने देखा दिविज? Or nothing? He's not
No,
seen any of them.
you don't have a problem with the flab and वो Disha Patani ka.
Flab?
मतलब the entire movie
okay.
was like a lot.
You're talking about Kalki, right?
Kalki.
So there is some flab, but dude, the way they have mixed mythology with futuristic sci-fi and shit,
yeah.
that just blew me away on another level, man.
Nice.
That part of it is so good that a lot of the other things I just let pass because I was just so sold into this world. Amitabh, at the age of 80, fucking destroys, dude. He's so fucking awesome. He is playing Ashwathama, which is like from the stories of Mahabharata and all that.
Yeah.
And bad fucking ass, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, how does he do this at 80? Of course, I'm sure he had body doubles and stunt doubles and all.
Still,
For
I
sure.
mean,
But regardless,
screen
dude.
presence, right?
Yeah, he has to be present for a few days on set at least.
Yeah,
That's what it is.
fair.
So I would highly recommend both these films.
Nice.
Kill more so because that's just one of the goriest, most awesome action-packed
Can't wait.
movies
Can't wait.
that you'll ever watch in India, for sure.
Last movie I saw was Lapata Ladies. Loved.
Oh, okay.
Loved.
Great.
Amazing movie.
Yeah.
What
We've
movie
been getting a lot of that. Yeah.
released in the same timeline? I
Madgaon.
forgot the name.
Madgaon
I
Express.
watched that, but I watched something else also in the
बीच में
similar.
कौन सा आया था?
Ishq Wishk 2.
No,
The worst
not
movie
at all.
ever
मेरे को पता भी
made.
नहीं था आया है वो.
There is an Ishq Wishk 2.
Dude, just released with Rohit Saraf in it, and it was so fucking bad, dude.
Yeah.
It was, and Hrithik Roshan's cousin is in there, isn't there?
Wow.
Have you guys ever had a bad movie-going experience? In the sense, a bad theater experience?
Oh, okay. Bad theater experience. मतलब not specifically the movie.
No, the
was
movie
bad.
might have been all right, fine even. But the people around you, like this happened to me, where I had gone to watch OMG 2. Okay,
Yeah.
like this is a while back now, a few
Yeah.
months, maybe a year back, right?
Yeah.
Gonna watch OMG 2 in the theater. I was already like 2 minutes late. We just
Okay.
made it in time.
Okay.
Okay, and we're like, okay, now trying to enjoy the movie.
Yeah.
A woman comes 35 minutes late.
Wow.
Okay, with her child, like a toddler, like a little dude, man, like whatever, like must be like 2, 3, 4 years old.
Right.
Okay, barely able to walk.
Okay.
Kid is loud as fuck. This woman comes, sits down next to me, and then starts asking me, "क्या हो रहा है? अब क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या कर रहे हो?" So now I can't concentrate on the movie. I have to explain to her what just happened in the last 35 minutes. This is insane. Like
Yeah.
that's the whole setup now. I have to
Yeah,
explain.
yeah,
right.
correct.
And then, dude, so it was raining during that time. It was monsoon time.
Right.
The kid, the kid keeps making noise. Okay.
Yeah.
She gives him her phone. Okay,
Yeah.
beta tu khel. Tu don't if you don't want to watch the movie,
Yeah.
you play a game.
Yeah.
I'm like, cool, ठीक है.
Yeah.
But the volume is on the phone.
Wow.
So this guy's playing shooting stuff like pew, 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 pew. I can just hear that next to me. I can't concentrate on the movie. Next, that's not the end of it also. Next, the kid is still like very impatient and restless.
Yeah.
So the woman makes him sit on her lap. In doing that, the kid whose dirty, muddy boots are now touching my legs, dude. Are touching my jeans. My jeans is getting dirty. I can't concentrate at all. The movie is fucked.
Fuck.
Yeah.
This
part
reminds
of that.
me-
Nobody complained because of the sounds. Nobody else.
I complained. like,
of course you did.
yeah, I was
but
next
nobody
to.
else.
I mean,
Fuck, man.
what are you gonna do?
This scenario
World.
reminds me of one of there was this comic on Laughter Challenge season 2. I think
You
Rauf
can name-
Lala.
Name him, yeah?
Rauf Lala.
Rauf
I
Lala,
think.
okay.
I think no some Rauf. I think I forgot. But उसका बेट ये था कि एक वो बस में बैठा है और पीछे एक लेडी बैठी है like a rich lady with a kid. आगे एक और बंदा बैठा है and उसके जैकेट पे बच्चे का आइसक्रीम लग रहा है and the mother is like बेटा तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहेगा तुम्हारी आइसक्रीम खराब हो रही है. But there was one theater experience जिसका PTSD मेरे को अभी तक है. So every time I have to sit in a public place, I either always check the seat like by touching it, like with my hand, if there is anything or
Like
is it
water
wet.
or something. Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, once I sit and I just realize, oh shit, I didn't check. I get up again, especially in theaters also because I had gone to watch Koi Mil Gaya. I had already watched it once with my cousins. I
Okay,
went
but
second time.
Can we guess?
Yeah, I
What
guess.
was?
Come on.
Like, was there Coke or something on your?
No, I'll tell you it was worse.
Oh
ठीक है?
no.
Oh,
Coffee or something.
No,
like
no,
No,
I'll
no,
tell you.
I
wait.
think it's worse.
I'll tell you.
Okay, wait.
So this is the second time I'm going to watch Koi Mil Gaya. This is with my mama and
Yeah.
like other family. So I sit and I realize there's something.
There's a man under you.
No, I could have seen a man, but I didn't see this. Yeah, I get up and I'm like, oh shit, what is this? So it was ice cream, like wo jo
Oh,
Coke,
no.
Coke float wala, not Coke float. I mean the softy
Oh,
type
yeah,
ice cream.
whatever, softy wala.
ठीक है, and get up. My mom is like, "Arey, it was ice cream. You did not see." And I'm like, "Ah shit, this doesn't feel right." And my mama tells me, "नहीं वो ice cream नहीं था, वो कुत्ते की टट्टी थी." I'm like, "What the fuck?"
How did a dog? He was fucking with you, right?
Of course he
Oh,
was
thank
looking
God.
good. But I was like, shit, ये तो मैंने गलत कर दिया यार, मैं तो टट्टी में बैठ गया. I'm like, oh fuck.
Dude.
Oh man, did you just shit yourself and try to pass it on? नहीं, कुत्ते का है,
That
मैंने नहीं
makes
किया.
sense. That
Yeah,
story would
that's
make
what-
sense.
That's what Shubham did. Dude.
That much my mom would have guessed कि ये चूतिया बना रहा है.
Oh, when you sat in the ice cream, she didn't guess it. What? That gets with you. You guys are fighting for a goal.
Yes.
The goal is for one of you to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, and you get to take home this.
Holy shit.
This still non-cutout cutout of the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
I love it. Absolutely.
Nice.
This is what you get to own. You get to hang it up on your
Amazing.
wall at your house. How are you
Yeah.
want to do this?
I swear to God.
We have an audience member, Divij, as you said.
Hi Divij.
Every time Divij gets an answer right, he gets a few melodies that are just
Yeah.
thrown at him, just for the sake of it.
Nice.
Nicely done. He caught a
Nice.
few.
Wow.
Nice.
Got a few.
I've never been to a dance bar, but this comes close.
Yeah,
I've
that's
seen
that's,
this.
that's
I've
what
seen
we
this.
need, man. Everyone
Yeah.
needs.
It's great stuff.
See, whoever wins Bollywood will be the real winner. It's fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chalo, let's go. The first game you guys are playing is actually one of the newer games we have introduced. So you both
nice.
are probably not aware of them yet.
Shit.
Of this game. This game is called Whose Line Was It Anyway? This is not an
Okay.
improv.
Okay.
game. Okay. It's just a throwback to one of the greatest shows of all time. Whose
Yeah.
Line Is It Anyway?
Agreed.
Whose Line Was It Anyway is the game. It's
Okay.
very simple. I'm going to quote a very famous movie ka dialogue
Yeah.
and give you 4 options as to who said it and in which movie.
Yeah.
You have to tell me what the correct answer is. This is
Alright.
not buzzer based. All of you, including the audience
Divij.
members, will get a chance to answer this question.
Okay. One
And you guys are also competing with the audience.
Right.
It has happened before on multiple episodes that the audience has beat at least one of the contestants on the panel. So it could happen. Who knows? Anything can happen.
Yeah.
Yup.
This is the group of death, I guess now.
So let's go. All right, guys.
Yeah.
So the first question can start with Shubham, then go on to Varun, and then go on to the audience. Second question will then start with Varun, then go on to Shubham, and then go on to the audience.
Got it.
All right. Let's go. The first one is as follows. Give me in which movie was this dialogue said and by whom? तू Spider-Man है? तू Superman है? Spider-Man है? अबे तू Common Man है? Is it A. Akshay Kumar in Fir Hera Feri, B. Salman Khan in Partner, C. Johnny Lever in Khatta Meetha, and D. Govinda in Bhagam Bhag? Khatta Meetha we just talked about
Yeah,
before
man.
this
Oh, yeah,
show started. What are the odds?
This is like the Instagram algorithm.
Yeah.
But yeah, fuck.
I think I know.
Ah, shit.
क्या लग रहा है शुभम?
I'm confused.
Just
but
always think out loud. Whatever you're thinking, always think out loud.
50-50 है क्या अपने पास lifeline?
नहीं,
Ah,
but
fuck.
there is one lifeline that you do have. It's called Phone a Friend. You can phone up anyone in the comedy
I
scene
think I'll
and ask them for an
not
answer.
phone anyone, man. Just let it be.
Okay,
बता दो।
okay, okay, okay.
I think the answer is B. Salman Khan partner.
You're saying B. Salman Khan partner.
Yeah.
Varun, what do you think?
Actually, that's the right answer, man.
तू Superman है, Spider-Man है, अभी तू Common Man है.
100%.
You're also saying Salman Khan partner.
Yep.
And Divij, audience member. Yes, sir.
B.
B. Everyone saying
Nah,
B. Salman Khan partner. The correct answer, yes, is Salman Khan partner.
Woo! Sattebazi.
Very cool. Very cool.
Well done.
Very well done. Very well done, Shubham.
Well done.
Very well done. Well done to everyone. 5 points for everyone, all round.
Nice.
ठीक है. These are some of our best slides.
Bear Grylls, nice.
So next one. वार करना है तो सामने वाले के
Oh,
गोल पर
माकिया।
नहीं, सामने वाले के दिमाग पर करो. गोल खुद ब खुद हो जाएगा. What are the odds?
मैं कल ही सोच रहा था अगर ये हुआ तो वो होसे मोरिनो की तरह ऐसा ईयरफोन निकाल के फेंक दे.
God!
Is it A. Akshay Kumar in gold?
Did you plan this?
I did
you
not. B. Baman Irani in Dhan Dhanadhan goal. C. SRK in Chak De India. Or D. Ranveer Singh in 83.
I think
Wouldn't it
it's
be
B.
awesome? Wouldn't it be great if somehow I have like a secret intern
Oh my
who updates
God.
the questions according to what's being discussed? Isn't that
I
mind
think you've
blowing?
reached out to some of our comic friends. Or
I did not at all. I did not at all. वार करना है तो सामने वाले के गोल पर नहीं, सामने वाले के दिमाग पर करो. गोल खुद ब खुद हो जाएगा. Who said this and in which movie? Is it Akshay Kumar in gold? B. Baman Irani in Dhan Dhanadhan goal? C. Shah Rukh Khan in Chak De India? Or D. Ranveer Singh in 83?
You know, I haven't seen Gold, so I cannot. Now the thing
It's a
is,
hockey movie.
just because of our mood, I want to say B, but I'm kind of worried. Maybe it's SRK in Chak De India. I don't know. But considering, I don't know, man. Oh,
I
shit.
think I know the answer.
Okay, wait. Varun will
Shit.
still have
नहीं,
to go
नहीं,
first.
Final answer दिया नहीं. रुक जा.
हाँ.
आर करना है तो सामने वाले के गोल पर नहीं, सामने वाले के दिमाग पर गोल खुद ब खुद हो जाएगा. No, I want to go with B.
Going B, Bummer Rani, Tandana goal.
Yeah.
Shubham.
C SRK Chuck the India.
Okay. What's your reasoning? Since he also.
बोमन
gave us-
ईरानी ये लाइन नहीं बोला है पक्का, मैं 10 बार तो देखा है गोल. बोमन ईरानी ये बोला है, ये विनर्स के चेहरे हैं, इन्हें देखो, ये देखो मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड और ये देखो तुम लोग. So I think
Oh,
it's C
shit,
SRK
yeah,
Chuck the
SRK
India.
Chuck the India.
Yeah.
And Divij? C. SRK Chuck the India. Are you playing it safe? Or do you actually think
Maybe,
it's
I
SRK
think-
Chuck the India?
I
got
think you should
swayed.
go with D, man. It's 83. I'm sure 83 में बोला है गोल.
क्रिकेट में गोल मारेंगे ना हम लोग, of course.
You don't have to change.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, no stress, हाँ, but तू D बोल.
Yeah, yeah. You say what you want. Okay, so C, you're saying C only. So Shubham and Divij, the audience is saying SRK Chuck the India. Varun is with Bummer Rani. The correct answer is yes, C. SRK and Chuck the India is
Shit.
right. Absolutely correct.
I got swayed with all the goal, Dhandanadan goal energy.
मेरे को भी वही लगा,
Yeah.
but mid question I realized
हाँ, I
नहीं, ये
know.
So
बोमन
now-
ईरानी नहीं बोला.
Now you'll understand how this game works. Is I find a piece of dialogue and then see in which all movies it fits, kind of,
Okay.
and then try to come up with options for that and try to
Nice,
confuse
nice,
people.
nice.
So the next one, this one is start with Shubham again.
हाँ.
किसी बहुत इंटेलिजेंट आदमी ने कहा है कि प्यार का पहला कदम दोस्ती है और आखिरी भी, बस बीच के कदम रह गए हैं. ए सैफ अली खान इन करुणा हो, बी जॉन इब्राहिम इन गरम मसाला, सी शाहिद कपूर इन किस्मत कनेक्शन, डी संजय दत्त इन लगे मुन्ना भाई.
I have to answer this.
Yes, sure.
A सैफ अली खान का लो नाउ.
Okay, Varun.
It's a very snarky kind of a Saif Ali Khan dialogue, dude. I'm gonna go with it. Yeah.
Saif Ali Khan
Yeah,
Karuna.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, you were saying A. Audience.
C.
Audience is saying
Hey
C.
guys, wow.
Shahid Kapoor Kismat Connection. The correct answer is Saif Ali Khan in Kal Ho Na Ho.
Let's go.
Very cool.
Let's go.
This is them in
Wow.
Keemat.
Wow.
You know?
One of the classics.
Yes.
One of the classics.
This is all celebs in the next wedding. I don't know which wedding is
I
next.
don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know idea.
One of the Ambani weddings. Who
Yeah,
cares? All right. Next one.
Cool.
Keep your buzz. There's no buzzer. Sorry.
Sorry,
Oh,
can
yeah,
I add something?
Yes, yes,
Kal
please.
Ho Na Ho has given me very bad coping mechanism for life. ठीक है. I think I've told this to Varun.
Okay.
But initially, as a teenager growing up, of course झगड़ा
You,
होता था
you,
लोगों से.
you just start wishing कि काश मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता.
नहीं. I'm
Everyone.
like of course people wrong you and all of that, झगड़ा वगड़ा होता है. And then I just used to think for some reason कि एक दिन मैं भी शाहरुख की तरह ICU में रहेगा, मर जाएगा, तभी लोगों को बुरा लगेगा and I'll be the bigger person. एक माफ किया रहे मैं तुम लोग को.
वो रहता ना
Bad
emo,
coping mechanism.
Yeah, bro.
incel energy.
So now I just go like हमारे चोद है तू.
This is just drama for sake of drama, dude.
Drama.
Wow. Are you the girl in the relationship?
In one of the relationships I might have been, not anymore.
I'm glad you accepted the truths.
Of
Nice,
course.
Done.
nice.
Well done.
What's the most toxic thing you've done in a relationship? I once in 8th standard really had like a mega crush on this girl in my class,
Yeah.
and she had made it obvious that she is not into me. But
Yeah.
you know, dumb high school crush is what are you gonna do, right? I bought a watch, like a 250 rupees watch, 300 rupees watch, on Christmas Eve. She was a Christian. I went because again we used to live in Goa, so like a small thing in Goa, right?
Yeah.
I went to outside her house and just put it in her letterbox.
What?
The watch. Okay? I imagine people got home like, oh, dude, there's a bomb in the letterbox. What the fuck is happening, dude?
You didn't even write anything. for a
Nothing.
Great.
You know, this is pure. I just wanted to have, to be able to keep time better.
Yeah. It's not toxic, dude. It's probably a security concern. That's not nobody.
But it's so
not
awkward.
I have done that. Ki maybe I'll hurt you in the future, so let's just stop now. Too much
Oh,
overthinking.
okay.
But now then I learned. I was like, मत जा यार, छोड़ना. गलती से बोला.
Most toxic, I married her.
Hey, nice. What's your wife's name?
Mansi.
Mansi. Thank you for tuning in, Mansi.
Appreciate it. Yes.
Yes.
Hopefully, please support while you're watching
Yes.
me. Thanks.
Okay, like you had a crush. I had crushes in school, and एक जन को मैंने बोला था कि hey, I like you, and this is that meme कि the worst she can say is no. She just said, please don't like me. So if you guys are wondering what keeps me up at night, these are the things.
Please don't like me.
Don't like me. This was on Facebook Messenger.
Oh,
Nice,
That's
nice.
too funny. All right, next
Well,
one.
let's go.
This one will start. This one was
Me.
Previous one was third.
I
So
answered it,
start
so
with this
now-
one. This one.
one me.
Okay, this one will start with you. The fourth
Yeah.
one will start with you. This question is, who said this dialogue? थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है. Is it A. Rashmika Mandana in Animal, B. Janina D'Souza in जाने तो जाने, C. तापसी पन्नू in थप्पड़, और D. Sonakshi Sinha in दबंग.
I mean, ठीक है यार. I'll admit this was the easiest of the lot. It's
This is the easiest of the lot.
थप्पड़. अभी I'm overthinking.
Hey man.
D. Sonakshi Sinha, Dabang.
Sonakshi Sinha दबंग.
Yep.
D Sonakshi Sinha.
All right.
Yeah.
D.
Everyone saying D. You are all right. Yes. Maybe I should have thought of better options then.
Yes, thank God.
Or better dialogue.
You almost got him with Thappad Tapsi.
That's
अरे
He was
fuck, what the fuck?
confused.
हाँ,
Yeah.
थोड़ा worried. But ठीक है.
Well designed. And the last one in this game, will start with Shubham, is क्या लड़की है यार, बाल सिल्की सिल्की, गाल मिल्की मिल्की, ये तो चलती फिरती वनीला आइसक्रीम है.
What the?
Is it A. Ranbir Kapoor in Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, B. Aftab Shivdasani in Masti, C. Akshay Kumar in Namaste London, or D. Saif Ali Khan in Tashan?
टू ऑप्शंस आर मतलब दो ऑप्शन ऐसा है कि ये दोनों डेफिनेटली बोल सकता है बट आई थिंक आई विल गो विथ बी आफ्ताब शिवदासानी मस्ती
All right. Which was the other one you were thinking?
ए बट आई थिंक इट्स बी
All right. All right.
अगर ये जवानी है दीवानी होता ऑप्शन में तो और टफ होता रणबीर के नाम के साथ बट आई थिंक इट्स बी मस्ती बिकॉज ये डायलॉग आफ्ताब शिवदासानी के मुंह से ही निकला रहेगा
Okay.
आई फील लाइक
I don't think. देख मेरे को मालूम है.
One of my favorite dialogues from Masti is ले ले दूध.
that also reminds me of आवारा पागल दीवाना where परेश रावल goes दूध दूध
Yeah, that's true.
that's too funny.
अभी तो मतलब hasn't aged well whatever.
Also,
Different
D is
podcast.
quite
Different
an
podcast.
option, I feel, but I'll still go with B Aftab Shivdasani.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
I wanna go just to make things interesting. D. Saif Ali Khan. Dashan.
D. Saif Ali Khan. Tashan.
Just because I know कि the songs were great, movie was terrible.
Exactly. Yes.
But I think कि ये dialogue का scope है. And just to make
है
it
तो मैं भी वही बोल रहा हूँ.
yes, I'm gonna go with D.
Dilhara is one of my favorite songs. Man.
Yeah, yeah.
Great album. Great album.
Great
Actually.
song,
Audience. Audience is saying A. Ranbir Kapoor. So audience saying A. Ranbir Kapoor. Shubham saying B. Aftab Shivdasani in Masti, and D has been said by.
पता चला C है सब लोग आ रहे हैं.
The correct answer is A. Ranbir Kapoor in Ajab Prem Ki
क्या
Gazab Kahani.
बात कर रहा है यार?
Shit, I thought
Very
he was a
cool.
nice guy in that movie, man.
Yeah, ये क्या dialogue है यार? Because we all were thinking of creeps because of
Yeah.
this dialogue.
Yeah, sorry Aftab bhai, my bad.
Yeah, I saw that you took the suggestion of Bear from कौन गोविंद ने दिया था तेरे को?
गोविंद ने दिया था?
गोविंद ने दिया या नवीन ने दिया था? I don't remember. The Bear Punch.
So yeah, correct.
Yeah, the
Naveen,
Bear-
Naveen, I
Naveen
think
ने
Naveen.
दिया था,
Correct.
yeah. Appreciate it.
Can I have what?
Yes. हाँ?
Can I have what?
Yeah, dude.
इसमें branding है यार Bisleri.
अरे बिंदास यार, बिस्लरी इसमें क्या है? बिस्लरी तो पूरी दुनिया
Bisleri, if
पीती
you
है.
wanna
Yeah,
guys,
yeah.
get
Please.
in touch. Get in touch.
It will, if you want 2,000 views.
Yeah.
Bisleri, if you want to sponsor beverage, please.
Yeah. Sponsor beverage.
Okay, that's the end of this first game. Very
Yeah.
cool, guys. Very
Nice,
cool.
nice.
Let's see where we stand at the end of game one.
Nice.
The
Enjoy it.
scores will get calculated.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, what do you think of this game, guys?
Dude,
Fun.
great fun.
Okay.
Great fun.
ठीक है,
Very
fair
much
enough.
fun.
And the results are in. Where do we stand, sir?
Varun is at 10 points.
Varun is at 10 points. Very cool. Very cool.
Okay.
Very cool.
This one is
Shubham and audience is at 20.
Shubham
Oh,
and audience is at 20. Wow, yeah, very cool. 10 and 20.
All
But that
right.
means you are only like 2 answers behind in a way. It's only 5 points. So it's very easily
This
achievable.
game reminds me of वो अनु कपूर का गेम कौन सा आता था यार?
एक कहानी ऐसी भी?
नहीं यार, अरे ऐसा ही गेम
सारे
था.
का मौका.
नहीं there was like a family involved है वो गेम और buzzer दबाने का. And they asked
सारे
questions.
का मा?
दीवाने मस्ताने
I think
Yeah, that's सारे का मा.
सारे का ना सारे का
हाँ.
चले
Yeah.
फालतू का
Yeah.
compliment मत कर.
सारे का
नहीं कर
मापा,
रहा है.
Hero Honda. सारे का मापा. You guys don't remember this?
I remember
Was it
that.
two?
Of course. I remember that. I remember Diamond Biscuit also. So I'll of
Diamond
course
Biscuit, Diamond Biscuit. What would you say is your most favorite movie of all time? If you
in
had to- if you
theaters,
had to-
like in general.
No, in general.
In
like a
general.
movie that you have seen a
Dhan
million
dana
times.
dhan goal. Woo!
Okay, there is some history behind this.
Okay.
I hate that movie.
Okay,
Hate.
you hate.
Because I'm a football fan.
Okay.
I'm a Manchester United fan. So,
But
if-
not a
Fucking
John
man,
Abraham,
you suck.
Arshad Varsi fan,
Man, you
Not at all.
suck.
not a Baman Irani fan.
No, I mean, Arshad Varsi, Baman Irani, great guys. But
Yeah.
still, they couldn't save that movie.
Fair.
It offends you as a moviegoer and a football fan at every level.
Did you watch it like when you were older, or you watched it when it came out?
I watched it when it came out.
In
and
theatres,
I was in
same.
college. Yeah,
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
in college.
Oh,
और देख के I'm like, and even with that limited knowledge, मेरे को लगा ये टट्टी है. And then I kind of purged that memory.
Okay.
And then later I met him, and he is obsessed with that movie.
तेरे को actually पता था कि मजाक कर
I
रहा हूँ?
actually like it's a comfort watch. ठीक है, if I'm
yeah.
like, so there are two comfort watch movies. One is Angamali Diaries, quite
Okay.
a nice movie. I have now watched it enough times to not watch it with subtitles.
Wow.
Yeah, so that is one movie 8 to 9 times I must have watched it on Netflix. And then there is Dandana Dangol.
So Dandana Goal, actually, you know, I like it. people
my
hate,
God.
people shit on it a
तो
lot.
हार गया ये episode. ठीक है,
People shit on it
already.
a lot. I quite enjoy it, dude. Some songs in that movie are great. Billo
Billo
Rani.
Rani.
Sure.
Billo
fucking
Rani.
Sure,
awesome,
I'll
dude.
give you that.
Yeah.
Songs, sure.
Even
Yeah.
my friend's grandfather liked that song.
don't give a
so
shit.
fuck it.
Your friend's grandfather?
Yeah.
Why would we care? dude? Why-
This
Just
is
random
just I have to
information.
tell you.
that
अच्छा
one
गाना
person you found who also likes that
You know
song.
what he
है.
did?
Two man. Three.
Yeah, yeah.
The
I'm not your friend's grandfather. Is that what you're calling
The
me?
shit he has done to the extent to piss
This
me
is
off.
something I have to
Okay,
know.
okay.
Right,
Come on.
this is in 25th December on Christmas. ठीक है, him and a couple of other friends, they wanted to surprise me. I don't know if
It was a house party at
house
his
party
place.
kind of place.
Okay.
He bought and printed South Hall ka jersey.
You can see it on my Instagram later.
It has Pummy Salon and everything.
The
That's
OG
South-
sponsor
Yeah,
of
dude,
South
that's
Hall. Not
great.
Reebok.
Everybody
not fucking
wore
Reebok.
that T-shirt
Yeah.
in front of me, and he did that just to piss me off.
और
And
इसने
I'm-
तकिया फेंका था मेरे ऊपर
तो
से.
मैं तकिया फेंका, मैं कम मारा मेरे को. I swear to God, dude.
It's okay, man. And funny thing, I also tagged the Starcast on our pictures.
Did they share?
No, but Divendu liked it. The guy who was always like, अरे तुम लोग झगड़ा क्यों कर रहे हो यार?
अच्छा,
झगड़ा क्यों
yeah,
कर रहे
yeah.
हो?
Yeah, very
Devu
memorable.
was his
Nobody
name in the
remembers.
movie.
Okay, got
He
it.
is a good actor.
Very,
I
very
like him
memorable,
as an
sure.
actor.
I mean, actor great, character
Okay,
cool
cool,
as shit.
cool. One of the most legendary scenes, of course, in the movie is the say it. Come on, the Baman
movie is
Irani John
legendary.
Abraham.
Post
scene.
credits.
पूरा movie legendary.
Yeah, yeah,
है.
pura.
Post
Yes,
credits.
of course, the non-celebratory scene after hitting the pole once, and then be like, guys, I gotta hit it again. Only then we'll celebrate.
It's,
That is pretty great.
It's a poor man's Chak De India.
That's literally it. That's basically what it is. What came first, goal or Chak De?
Goal, I think.
Goal did come first, right?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Goal
Goal
came
came
first?
first. Goal
Yeah.
came first.
You know, so yeah, exactly. So every
Ah, okay.
Chak De owes a lot to goal, dude.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that? Okay, chalo. The next game. So 10, 20, 20.
Yeah.
Shubham and audience
Yeah.
at 20.
Yeah.
Varun at 10.
Yep.
Next game is Bollywood in Jeopardy. This is very simple. How this game works is I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film. You have to buzz in with a unique sound that you make with your mouth each time.
Okay.
And whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. And you have to tell me what the answer is after buzzing in. But you have to say the answer in the form of a question.
Okay.
If you don't ask it as a question and I catch you on it, I will let the other person steal even though you might have been right.
Oh, damn.
Cool.
All right. How this will work is you buzz in, you like get to go first. If you guys don't get in the first round, I'll give you a hint. If you guys don't get in the hint round also, then it goes to the audience at that point.
Got it.
All right.
Bollywood on Jeopardy made me think of गांधी जी की धोती में dash.
गांधी की धोती में दिल चाहता है.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bollywood Jeopardy, the first movie ka plot is as follows. A devout father takes on a dogmatic school and his own moral convictions after his son is expelled from school for an embarrassing video that has gone viral.
Woo!
Yes.
Is this Oh My God 2?
Yes, it is Oh My God 2. Again, we talked about it. How did I forget? That's got to be coming up. That's crazy. Oh My God 2, directed by Amit Rai, starring Pankaj Tripathi and Akshay Kumar and Yami Gautam.
Yami Gautam.
Yeah.
Great.
What do you guys
Nice
think of the
movie.
movie, by the way?
I liked it, and I had no idea. I went
Yeah,
in blind,
absolutely true.
and
I
was
haven't watched
very
this
surprised.
movie yet.
I would
Recommend.
again, yeah, I would recommend. Dude,
Genuinely
my
good.
mom watched it and liked it.
Yeah.
You know, it's a family-friendly movie on sex education in like a certain way.
It actually blew
Yeah.
my mind in the way they kind of address it. It's
Absolutely,
genuinely
yeah,
good, dude.
very cool, very
Yeah.
cool. All right, next one. Keep your buzzers ready again, good sirs. Dash, a struggling lawyer seeking success, comes upon a hit-and-run case and decides to fight for the victims. However, the defendant hires a proficient lawyer, Dash, to go against him. Shubham.
Jolly LLB, the first part.
He didn't ask it as a question.
I asked you the question. Like, Jolly LLB, first
No,
part.
He did not ask it
Is
as a question.
this Jolly LLB?
Yes, correct. You are right.
I asked it as a question. Jolly LLB,
Yes.
first part.
No.
It's 5 points.
Fine.
Now, I don't remember if I caught Varun or not. Did he ask you the question?
I
Priya?
did ask a
No,
question.
no, no.
I did.
No, but that's fine. See, I have to catch you on it.
Yeah.
That's the
I
thing.
did ask a question.
Yeah, you
Obviously,
asked
made
a
a mistake.
question.
Yeah, you obviously will. Yeah. Chalo, ठीक है? Nice.
कोई बात
Jolly LLB, 5 points again for Varun.
You're looking gorgeous.
No, the loser has to give compliments, bro.
You're looking gorgeous, sir.
Great.
I'll do. I think you should deduct more.
Deduct.
points.
You're looking gorgeous, Saurus, man.
Yeah. So now,
Terrible.
the previous one also Varun got, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now everyone's at 20.
Yeah.
Okay?
Nice, nice.
So, okay. The real game starts from here, guys.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Movie number 3, buzzers at the ready, is Dash invites trouble when he welcomes Dash, an aspiring singer, to his house. However, Dash realizes the mess he has created and tries to amend things for Dash, but causes more damage. So the first Dash and the last Dash are the same, and the
Okay.
second Dash and the third Dash are the same.
Second and third are same. First and fourth is same.
Yes.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Please think out loud. What are you thinking?
Dude, I'm fully blank. I'm trying to figure. However, realizes the mess he has created and tries to amend things. Feels very David Dhawan type. No, David Dhawan bhi nahi yaar. Aspiring.
How recent is this movie, man?
No, hint and actual.
I'll give you in the hint time. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
Yeah.
wait. Huh.
Are you sure it's a singer?
Sorry?
Are you sure it's a singer that is invited?
Yeah. I don't know.
Dash invites trouble when he welcomes Dash, an aspiring singer, to his house.
I'm gonna take a guess. Is there negative marking? For
There are no negative points,
Okay.
Yes.
Is this Atithi Kab Jao?
Nahi.
Fuck. I tried.
I need a
Na
hint,
jaane
man.
tum kab jaoge.
Great movie again.
Yeah, very
But not
underrated
very
again.
Very underrated.
Yeah, very underrated, but not great.
Yeah.
Good, but again underrated. Should
Good
be.
in moments.
You watch it. Yeah.
I need a hint, man. Come on.
Yes, nothing. No. Again, no negative points. If you just want to venture out a guess, there's no negative.
Is this Andhadhun?
No, another one. No.
Yeah.
Okay, so now hints, and even after the hints, if you don't get, then it goes to the audience.
Got it.
So the hint is, firstly, if you want the year this movie came out, is it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll tell you the year.
that would slightly help.
That would slightly confuse us even more, I guess.
Oh man.
So normally how I do this is I give actors ka hints, but the actors ka hints are so specific
Just then.
that
nahi,
it'll be a
nahi.
throwaway.
Make it difficult, man. Give us the writer or music director or something.
Oh, okay, I'll tell you.
Huh.
I don't think this movie has a song, by the way.
Ah.
Aspiring singer or Gana nahi hai? How bad is this singer?
Wow, this is getting interesting.
Yes, I'm right. No songs in this movie.
Holy shit.
Damn.
2007. No songs in this film.
Oh, 2007. My God.
Yeah, 2007.
This is the mess he has created. Tries to amend things for.
Is this the only hint we get?
So, okay, I can give you
Yeah.
more if you want. Rajat Kapoor. Yes.
Is this Veja Fry?
Yes, it is.
Yes!
It was either that or Vinay Pathak, you know.
yeah.
Both of them would have been like
Yeah.
giveaways.
I forgot he was an aspiring singer.
Yeah.
Oh,
He
shit.
carries his suitcase around
Yeah,
which he keeps
yeah,
his
Nice.
cassettes and all that.
Lead.
Very cool.
Lead,
That's
lead.
2.5.
Lead.
2.5.
Lead.
2.5.
2.5
Take
for
it,
Varun
take
because
it.
after the hint. Yeah.
Whatever lead hai na, bas.
Very cool. 2.5 for Varun. Very cool. Keep your buzzers ready again.
Yeah.
Next movie is as follows. After the death of his son, Dash, a middle-aged wrestler, gives up the sport. Years later, he sets out to revive his career as he needs the prize money. And yes, Varun will go first. And as he needs the prize money and wants to regain his lost respect.
Is this Sultan?
Absolutely, yes. Take 5 points. Very cool. Killing it.
Wow, killing it.
Killing it, good sir. Killing it.
Wow.
Okay, next. Keep your buzzers at the ready again. Dash and Dash, two rogues, fall in love with Dash, their friend's widow. However, Dash manipulates them into carrying out her bidding for her selfish gain. Yes?
Is this Sholay?
No, it's not sure.
Dash and Dash, two roads
Fall in love with-
Dash. Their friends.
I just thought. See, if you think about it, the movie changes.
Yeah, it has
But
been.
Dash manipulates them into carrying out a bidding for such gain. Oh, fuck, what's this?
नहीं अभी ध्यान से सोचता हूँ. I just wanted to say Sholay just quickly.
Two rogues.
Their friend's widow. However, manipulates them to carrying out bidding. Okay. Is it just नहीं मैं आंखें सोच रहा था. But हम लोग 3 लोग हैं ना. 2 rogues.
Rogues meaning cop, right?
Next
Rogues
five.
mean
नहीं, rogues
no.
meaning
Ulta.
of cop.
Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा चोर.
Yeah.
Ah.
The rogues. Rogue police officer is different.
Can I again guess for?
No, you can't yet.
I can't. No?
You can't till the hint round. Yeah. Shubham, jaldi kar. If there's no hint, then I'll give you a hint. No worries.
Yeah, hint is fine,
Hint?
I think.
Okay, I'll tell you the names of the 2 rogues. What do you want? The 2 rogue names or the widow's name?
Two rogues name, I guess.
ठीक है तेरे ऊपर मैंने.
I mean,
I don't want to.
No,
Any-
both of you can. Now you can guess.
two
After the hint
rogues
you can
name.
guess. 2 rogues names you want?
Yeah.
Khalujan and Babban. Huh?
Is this Shore in the City?
No, man.
Okay.
Huh?
Is this Gunde?
No.
Oh, man.
Shit.
I thought
Anything?
That's
Audience?
the same है. Yeah,
Sorry?
they are different. Oh.
So, Khalujan and Babban, 2 rogues, fall in love with Dash, their friend's widow. However, Dash, that is the widow, manipulates them into carrying her bidding for a selfish gain.
I haven't seen the movie. Dude.
Yeah, maybe.
Carrying out her bidding.
मैंने वैसे गुंडे भी नहीं देखा था.
I thought you should guess.
Nothing? No guess at all? All right. So then I'll make it 1 point. And
Okay.
whoever gets it.
Okay.
Whoever gets it shouts it out and I'll
Got
give it
it.
to them.
Got it.
Okay? Arshad Warsi is in the film. Yes.
Is this Ishkia?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
That's 1 point. 1 point for Varun.
Point.
1 point.
Yeah.
But nice.
Totally.
Nice
Pai
round.
karke.
Nice round.
Yes. Okay, very cool. Very cool. I think
Yeah.
we have 1 or 2 more films in this. Let's go
Oh,
to the
nice.
next one.
Nice.
I think.
There's lights.
Woo! Anil Kapoor.
Sorry?
Punishment.
Guys,
Oh.
thanks,
Oh,
Divij. Thank you
What's
so
the
much.
punishment for not
The-
being
for-
able to guess with the hint also?
If one of you at any point in the episode does not get 3 consecutive answers,
Oh, it's
which
me,
Shubham
I
did
guess,
not,
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
okay, there is a Bollywood themed punishment.
Oh, okay. fair enough.
Sometimes the punishment can come from the audience also if they've thought of it.
Okay.
But this time I'll give you one.
Okay.
You have to do the hook step of Ik Pal Ka Jeena, but be singing Hey Jawani, Hey Diwani, Ah Meri Rani, Ruk Jao Rani.
This is
Okay. You guys also sing.
Horrific.
ठीक है? I'm a
Yeah.
good dancer, not a great singer. You
Let's
guys
see.
also sing.
Let's see, yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
You guys start singing. I'll do the hook step.
You, but the punishment is
You
to,
have to sing.
I will sing along.
sing along. But you will sing along, yes. Ik Pal Ka Jeena, the hook step, and Hey Jawani, Hey Diwani. Let's do.
Go on. Start.
3,
Hey.
2, 1, go.
Hey Jawani, Hey Diwani,
Ha, Meri Rani.
I thought you said you were good at dancing. What?
That's what I meant.
That was the worst hook step I've ever seen in my life, dude.
You're making me feel better.
You could at least have done that.
Oh, is this also?
You don't remember?
I just.
ए मेरे दिल क्या कर रहा है यार?
Antariksh, I think the punishment is on the.
Do it again. Let's do it again. Do the punishment again. We're still waiting for Shubham to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Hey Jawani, hey Diwani.
I think the punishment is
He's
for
so
all of
bad,
us,
bro.
not him.
He's so bad.
Guys, please stop.
Okay, I did this right.
I will
That's
be
also
very-
wrong. That's also wrong. Oh, good lord! Just wait till
Do
I
not
show it.
edit this.
So the
Do not.
correct.
Okay, I remember
That's the-
something. I had gone to watch Lucky Ali, ठीक है? And he starts singing this song in the end.
Yeah.
There's one lady, she gets up from the seats, starts dancing.
Huh.
She falls down on the steps of the
Wow.
auditorium.
Amazing.
Oh, hilarious. Dude.
Amazing.
Because she was
Actually-
jumping.
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
That's too funny, dude. All right, cool. This one was Ishkia. The points went 1 point went to Varun there. The next one, keep your buzzers at the ready.
Yeah.
Cool.
3 friends start an academy to train aspiring cricketers. Yes, you will go first, but let me finish the question. But before they realize their goals, they experience an earthquake, an unstable political situation, and communal riots.
Kai Poche. Is this Kai Poche?
Yes, it is. Lucky bugger. Nice. 5 points. 5 points for Shubham. Nice.
Okay. Nice.
Okay, cool.
Nice.
That was I think the end, but maybe I have one more. I'm forgetting right now. Okay, buzz is ready. Buzz is ready.
Cool.
Dash and Dash kidnap Dash on the orders of Dash, who wants to marry her off to his client. However, things take a paranormal turn when they realize that Dash is possessed by a demon. Yes.
Is this 3?
No, not 3.
Oh shit. Okay.
Wait, now I have time. Thoda sa. Dash and Dash kidnap Dash on the orders of Dash.
Dash and Dash kidnap Dash on the orders of Dash, who wants to marry her off to his client. However, things take a paranormal turn when they realize that Dash is possessed by a fucking demon, dude.
Oh, you know, this will be that movie jidhar nahi aayega and you'll be like, oh man, because I'm sure.
I remember something similar, but I don't know if it's paranormal tha kya. I just don't remember that.
Okay. Which one are you thinking? Because he can't. Okay, no, he could.
I was so there's no negative marking.
No negative.
I was
No, wait.
thinking,
Ah, bol.
is this love ke liye kuch bhi karega?
No, it's not.
No.
So I'll give you a hint then now.
Yeah.
The hint is, what is that guy's name? One sec. That's the only hint I can give you actually. That's why. Okay, this guy's, you know Varun Sharma, the actor Varun Sharma.
No.
Yeah.
Varun Sharma is the guy from. I'll tell you.
Fukre, right?
Yeah, from the Fukre series. You know the fat guy from
Yeah,
Fukre?
yeah,
The guy who's the most irritating actor on the planet.
Yeah.
Oh
Fucking
man, he's the worst, dude.
never
I hope he
understood that.
sees this also, you know.
I
like,
never understood.
I really
hate that.
So
actually,
that
I
he's
that.
the guy who is supposed to marry.
He is one of the first 2 dashes.
Oh,
One of the kidnappers, yes. तूने बस किया?
तूने बस किया?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Is this शादी में जरूर आना?
नहीं, no.
क्या पिक्चर है?
Paranormal कहाँ से आ गया bro?
I don't remember. Can I go?
No,
for
you
one
can't
more
yet.
guess?
No.
अरे, dude, I kind of block all of his movies.
I am now thinking of the right answer, I think.
Okay, but it won't come back to you. I'll have to go to the audience.
Yeah.
Oh shit, यार.
First. What are you thinking?
नहीं यार, नहीं. I think I've seen some trailer of this, but I can't figure out the movie. I don't think I can.
All right.
Yeah.
Things like a paranormal turn. I think you should really stick to the paranormal angle. When they realize that Dash is possessed by a demon.
Oh shit. phone booth में होने था. नहीं यार. Damn it. I'm not getting into it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the audience.
Filori.
Sorry?
Filori.
No, not Filori.
Filori.
Okay, then I'll give you for 1 point.
Yeah. It's tougher than you
Ra-
expected.
Rajkumar Rao.
Dolly ki Dolly.
नहीं.
One more option.
No.
Now I am thinking of the right answer, I
मैं
think.
स्त्री सोच के बैठा.
मैं भी स्त्री सोचा but again.
If not Stree, then
Then.
come on, it's 1 point. Anyone can take it. Nobody. Come on, guys. Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma kidnap Dash on the orders of Dash, who wants to marry her off to his client. However, things take a paranormal turn when they realize that Dash is possessed by a demon, bro.
ये देखा नहीं है राजकुमार राव का.
Yeah. Now we are trapped.
Yeah. So I don't think you're getting it.
I'm
Are you?
not getting it. I'm
I'll
not
just
getting
throw
it.
to the
What is
audience.
the girl's name, right?
Yeah.
Janvi Sharma.
Janvi Kapoor is the actress. Yes. I'll let you correct your answer if you want that 1 point.
Ruhi.
Yes, Ruhi is the one. Yes,
Oh,
correct.
यही तो नहीं देखा.
नहीं देखा.
Ruhi.
I would
But
have
it's the
never
same,
got it.
It's the same Stree wala universe.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
Bhedia is
really?
also in the same universe. Bhedia was
Are
damn
they
bad again.
connecting Bhedia and Stree?
Dude, yeah, they are. At the end of Bhedia, those
Bhedia
guys
is
show up.
quite good
they show.
actually.
Bhedia, you liked it?
Yeah,
I did not like it at all, dude.
भेड़िया
But
just
at the end, then they show up, no? You don't remember?
हाँ वो आता ना
Huh.
स्त्री करके वो
Munjya is also same universe,
Oh,
but
I've not
Munjya also
watched
was
that.
very underwhelming. Yeah.
I've not watched.
A lot of
Munjya.
people are
haven't
talking
seen.
about.
भेड़िया I kind of liked the start of the movie because I kind of like कि चलो थोड़ा बहुत they tried to get the environmental connection.
Yeah, but firstly, the humor did not work for me.
Oh,
Varun
yeah.
Dhawan is a bad actor.
Yeah,
Kriti Sanon wasn't great in the film.
Yeah.
And also, I did not understand why fucking she had to die at the end.
yeah, she
she
died
died for no reason because she's been healing through the entire film.
Correct.
Okay, and then suddenly she fucking goes up. They go
Yeah.
become wolves, go up there,
Yeah.
and she fucking dies. That made no sense to me.
Yeah.
I was very disappointed.
sad. Yeah.
But okay, ठीक है, होता है. That was the end of this game as well. Very cool. Very well done, guys. Very well done.
Nice.
Very
Well
well
played,
done.
everyone.
There were some difficult ones, huh?
Yeah, very
Nice.
difficult.
Wow,
तो kick
very
my
cool.
ass.
Let's see where we stand. Let the scores get calculated in the meantime.
Difficult ones or bad
Huh?
Bollywood buffs? I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Yes, sir.
Audience is at 21.
Audience is at 21 points.
Well
They got
done,
1 point.
At 25.
25? You got one answer, right? Okay.
Varun is at 27.5.
27.5. Okay, it's still anyone's game. It's still anyone's game.
Game.
The next game is one of my favorites. It's called
Oh, shit.
Versus. How this game works is I will read out as a piece of poetry off tune
Yeah.
the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. Why the second verse, you might ask? The second verse is the least heard part of any song. Okay, if you're like at a party, no DJ is ever playing the second verse.
Yeah.
Sometimes even when you're listening to music yourself, you're like, "Ha, okay, okay, I'll move on to the next
Yeah.
song." Radio, pe they'll skip the second verse. You know, so second verse often becomes the least heard part of any song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to read the second verse of a very popular song as a piece of poetry. You're to buzz in. Whoever
Yeah.
buzz in first gets to go first, and you have to tell me what the song is.
Okay.
The audience will again get
Again
to,
in a question form or
no,
just
this one
tell the
you can
song?
just share.
Got it.
No question.
Good to
about it.
ask, you know.
No, absolutely. Good. That's good. That's
नहीं,
good.
this is going to be end of me. I discussed the same thing with Antariksh.
Yes.
ये game मैं पिटने वाला है. But let's see.
But I'm sure you can surprise yourself. You know
Yeah,
that happens
yeah.
all the
Hey,
time.
I'm just
We saw
hoping
it in
he
the
sucks
last
more.
round.
I'm just hoping you suck more. That's all.
Either that or that. Okay, cool. Let's go. Versus. The first song का second verse का lyrics are as follows. गम हो या कोई खुशी, पुरवा का झोंका है. एक आए एक जाएगा, क्यों दिल को रोका है. इस दिल को हमने नहीं, हमें दिल ने रोका है. कोई बता दे ज़रा, क्या सच क्या धोखा है. ये दुनिया सारी बड़ी है प्यारी, यही एक सच है. ये सब रंग बड़े सुहाने हैं.
Can you go again?
Yes,
from
I
the
can.
start?
I'll read again.
I also don't.
I'll read again.
Yeah.
गम हो या कोई खुशी, पुरवा का झोंका है. एक आए एक जाएगा, क्यों दिल को रोका है. इस दिल को हमने नहीं, हमें दिल ने रोका है. कोई बता दे ज़रा, क्या सच क्या धोखा है. ये दुनिया सारी बड़ी है प्यारी, यही एक सच है. ये सब रंग बड़े सुहाने हैं.
I will leave.
प्रेमचंद जी ये क्या लिख दिया?
नहीं मेरे को हिंट लगेगा इधर.
I will also need a hint.
Okay.
Yeah.
मेरे को फर्स्ट लाइन से कुछ तो रिंग हो रहा है but
Yeah. हाँ मेरे को लास्ट लाइन से आ रहा था. but-
Okay, how the hint version works is half for half. For half the points, I will half sing each of these lines.
okay.
All right?
ठीक है.
So I'm half singing a line. So basically, it's going to be difficult, so bear with me.
Yeah.
Okay? गम हो या कोई खुशी, पुरवा का झोंका है. एक आए एक जाएगा, क्यों दिल को रोका है. इस दिल में हमने नहीं, हमें दिल ने रोका है. कोई बता दे ज़रा, क्या सच क्या धोखा है. Then this part will help you guys immediately. So again, buzz ready. ये दुनिया सारी टूणू बड़ी है प्यारी टूडू, यही एक सच है टूणू, ये सब रंग बड़े सुहाने हैं.
Oh shit. Wait, I know the movie. मैं movie का नाम बताएगा नहीं तेरे को.
Okay,
Oh man.
I can do it again.
हाँ.
Okay, let's see. Last time, let's see if we get it. Otherwise, I'll have to throw to the audience.
Shit. मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है. He's gonna get it. Okay, go.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
हाँ.
गम हो या कोई खुशी, पुरवा का झोंका है. एक आए एक जाएगा, क्यों दिल को रोका है. इस दिल को हमने नहीं, हमें दिल ने रोका है. कोई बता दे ज़रा, क्या सच क्या धोखा है.
Oh
ये
my.
दुनिया सारी टूणू बड़ी है प्यारी टूणू, यही एक सच है टूणू, ये सब रंग बड़े सुहाने हैं.
मोहब्बत है हम तेरे दीवाने
हम
हैं.
तेरे
Yes.
दीवा-
Surprise.
The also other accepted answer would have been सोनी सोनी
हाँ, fine.
अखियों
Dude,
क्या
वाली.
बात
क्या मेहनत किया है सोचने के लिए. मेरे को मूवी पता था.
तू नाम लेता तो भी मेरे को नहीं पता चलता ये.
So the audience have also gotten it, but ठीक है. Nicely done.
Got
Nicely
it.
done. 2.5 points.
Done, man.
2.5 points. Very cool.
I've never worked so
2.5.
hard for
After the
anything
hints.
in my life.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. Well done.
My
man.
God.
Next one. Buzzers at the ready, good sirs. Okay. ओढ़ के धानी रीत की चादर, आया तेरे शहर में.
दीवाना तेरा.
Thank you.
He knows.
He knows the song. That's so funny. That's spot on, bro. That is spot on. Bol.
मन मस्त मगन.
Wow, bro.
Wow, holy shit.
Wow.
It was Ranja
Yeah.
Tera, I think.
But nice.
Yeah, Ranja
Yeah, I
Tera.
think Ranja Tara is right. Yes.
Wow, man. Nice.
But
trying
yeah,
to
it is Ranja
remember
Tara.
the
Yes.
name of
It was
that song,
the print didn't happen properly.
Nice.
उड़ के धानी.
Yeah, correct. आया तेरे शहर में रांझा तेरा. Yeah, cool. Yeah, very cool. मन मस्त मगन. What do you think of this movie, by the way?
I liked it.
I actually quite like it, man.
कौन सा movie है?
Two States.
Two States. हाँ, I didn't watch it.
Oh, that's fine. I actually like so.
Even though you are living it, you didn't
Yeah, I'm
watch it.
living
Back
it.
in the day when the book came out, I was
Yeah.
so my then girlfriend was very into this
Chetan
book,
Bhagat.
so she
Oh.
made me read it, and I was
Yeah.
like, "Yeah, this is not a bad book.
Not bad
It's fine only. It's
Yeah.
romantic. It's nice.
Yeah.
If you want to look at it in that lens, you know." And the movie came out, I was like, "Okay, this is again not a bad movie, yeah."
Yeah.
But it gets trolled a lot because of Chetan Bhagat's association with it.
Two States is sober version of Arjun Reddy if you look at it. Kabir Singh. I
You're
mean.
absolutely right. You're absolutely right, dude.
Nice, man. I
Yeah,
just know that उसमें Bill
Because
Gates आता है.
because उसमें
That was a
अर्जुन
little
कपूर आलिया भट्ट के भाई का ट्यूशन लेता है
हाँ,
और
correct.
इसमें वो पप्पी देता है उसके भाई को जा सबको पप्पी दिया बता तेरे बाप को.
हाँ.
Like, just
नहीं उसमें
there.
Bill Gates आता ना मूवी के एंड में.
No, I think that was
Two
Dolly
States?
चाय वाला.
नहीं. In the audience or something, I haven't seen the movie. but
Wait,
कोई
Bill
meme
Gates
पे-
comes in the
No,
audience in
they
two
show an
states. In
edited
two states.
version. Yeah, dude.
I don't think so.
Comments में बताओ guys. मैंने meme
Oh,
देखा.
it's that.
Some
yeah, the
generated-
face.
yeah. Some fucking.
I think you're right, dude. I remember this loosely now. You're right.
yeah,
Like a
they pasted
like black and white
copy-pasted.
किया है क्या?
कुछ तो किया है सड़ेला
किया है,
ग्राफिक्स
हाँ,
लेके.
हाँ. किसी और के बॉडी पे फेस चिपकाया
Yeah,
ऐसे
yeah,
कुछ.
yeah.
हाँ, I remember.
Damn.
समझा क्या?
वो तो 3 Idiots में था.
Okay, चलो. Next song का lyrics are as follows. So this one is a classic song, like a retro song from the 60s.
Fucking hell.
No, but this is a song we still listen to
मतलब remix.
often enough. We all like love the song. I'm sure you guys also are fans of the song, like the song. It's a good song. All right. So this is what it's gonna be. The lyrics of this song are gonna be as follows. Buzzers again at the ready. Okay. क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए. क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए. आ गया तो बहुत पछताएगी तू. Yes, wow.
मेरे
you got-
सपनों की रानी कब आएगी?
Wow, that last one again really helped, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Part.
क्या
आ
है
गया तो
भरोसा
बहुत
आशिक
ये
दिल का
और किसी पे ये आ जाए. आ गया तो बहुत
ताएगी तू
पछताएगी.
मेरे सपनों. यार ये गाना तो मेरे को बहुत गाने का मन कर रहा है. कब आएगी पता नहीं चल रहा है.
Yeah, correct. Fair enough.
I relate to this song and the situation
And
in my
not to
life.
the others.
Oh my God.
Not to Sony or Mast Magan.
मस्त मगन is good. सोनी तो सुना ही नहीं था ऐसा लग रहा
Oh
है.
my God.
Okay,
Shit.
fair enough,
साला
fair
जिसमें मिला उसमें आधा points.
ये खुश रहे.
That was full 5 for Shubham. Very cool, man. Very well.
Nice.
Had either of you close? Were you guys close? Were you close
This song.
to getting it? Yeah.
I
Yeah?
think they will.
Initially you knew? Devesh baller, bro. But no
Dude,
idea.
नहीं, chance ही नहीं. I know I suck at this. I'll be very happy if I get.
Chalo, we
But
have
you got that mohabbat and respect, man.
3 more in this game. Okay, quickly, let's go.
Yep.
Got it.
कर लो जो भी करना है, होता है जो होना है, गुजरा तो पल ये फिर ना आएगा. क्या बुरा है क्या भला है, वक्त ही शायद खुदा है, हो जाने दो फिर देखा जाएगा.
Is this Dhoom Machale?
No, bro.
Can you repeat the lyrics?
Yes, I can. But now you can't guess.
Oh shit! Okay.
Till the half.
I kind of know it, but
Okay.
नाम याद नहीं आ रहा.
कर लो जो भी करना है,
नहीं.
होता है जो होना है, गुजरा तो पल ये फिर ना आएगा. क्या बुरा है क्या भला है, वक्त ही शायद खुदा है, हो जाने दो फिर देखा जाएगा.
Oh shit.
I've heard this song many times.
Yeah. 100% सुना है.
For sure, bro. I remember a time where I would listen to this song on radio and then I would be like, fuck, I'm changing the channel. Go to the next channel and it's still the same song playing because the song was that popular back then. Yes.
क्या हुआ जो लारी छूटी?
Yes, bro.
क्या हुआ?
Oh shit.
Yeah. Wow.
मतलब I sang it in my head. वो
Yeah.
ट्यून से मुझे याद
कर
आया.
लो जो भी करना है, होता है जो होना है, गुजरा तो पल ये
मेरा सुपर विलन
फिर
आर यहाँ से शुरू होता है.
आएगा. क्या बुरा है. Fucking love this song.
वो कहते हैं ना.
That's full 5.
Punishment.
Varun ko punishment, bro.
Fuck, bro. Hey,
Fucking
don't
nice.
make me- I
Devej,
can't
bro.
dance and sing. dude.
Okay,
Give
let's
me
see.
something.
Yeah,
What
make
can
him
we-
act. Fucking hell.
If you can think of a Bollywood themed punishment, I'll let you also think of one. If you guys can think. Let's see. Let's make him do an impression.
Can you do an impression of Sanjay Leela Bhansali? Tell me that.
What?
Okay, the most common comment on any of my YouTube videos
Yeah?
is like, oh, Sanjay Leela Bhansali अब comedy कर रहा है because I do.
Yeah, I just.
It's
How did I not see
it's
this?
my opening
No, I
joke.
can't unsee it, dude.
It's my opening joke every time I perform because there are always new audiences and they will
hilarious.
always realize, oh yeah, I know guys, I know I look like a young Sanjay
That
Leela
is
Bhansali. I'm tired of this.
Hilarious,
But yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Fuck,
I
how
am
did I not see this, dude?
obsessed with prostitutes. Sorry, I am not. Stop asking me this. Stop giving me feedback कि अरे सब तू हीरोइन लोग को हमेशा गरबा क्यों गिराता है? मैं नहीं करता है. Please.
एक punishment है. Can you do an impression?
I haven't ever heard him, dude.
अरे not him.
Of
Do a Suresh Gopi or Mohanlal impression, I guess.
Suresh Gopi.
A South Indian actor.
South Indian actor.
South
How-
One minute, you only
what do you
think
know?
of a punishment.
Yeah.
This
It
will
has,
get
it has to be
personal.
more
It has to be
mainstream.
mainstream.
Yeah,
So I would say, give me, say a very passionate Shah Rukh Khan dialogue, but say it as Amitabh Bachchan.
Help me with the dialogue, but एक minute.
वही बोलते गोल सामने वाले के दिमाग
नहीं,
पे
नहीं,
करते
No, that's no. Let's think of
As
a more.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, but I'll think of this one.
हैं. Yeah.
Okay, you can do a collection. बड़े-बड़े देशों में, that's one. Then another one is Palat, could be another. Okay. Then what are the Shah Rukh Khan lines? Now I'm going blank.
I think I'll start doing it.
Okay, let's see.
Otherwise, बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. रेखा, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Wrong
Sorry,
dialogue.
Wrong. Palat.
Have you guys seen that meme of Amitabh Bachchan on a flight and like in the corner above his shoulder is Rekha passed out in the corner in a flight?
What?
No, you not seen this?
I've not seen this.
So this is a meme that someone has photoshopped, but photoshopped like
Oh,
how?
beautiful.
Okay, it looks so perfect.
I've
It
not
looks
seen
like
this one.
they are in a relationship, but trying to hide it because that's what everyone's
Oh,
believed, right? Always.
yeah.
So Amitabh Bachchan is in the front
Huh.
of the plane or something.
Yeah.
Okay, and he's like whatever reading his whatever he's reading
Yeah,
or whatever
yeah.
like posing on the camera. Someone's taking a photo of him, and you know like how you can see between two seats, you can
Yeah.
see the behind seat.
Yeah.
So perfectly angled, the behind
Oh.
seat. So someone is sleeping there with their head on the window. Okay, head on the window, and that's Rekha. Someone has made this change,
Oh,
and it's so well done.
fuck, dude.
If I can find it, it's mind blowing, bro.
Dude, now that I realize there is no past relationship in history which has been still going on and made fun of. Like everybody has moved on. कि अभी भी एंजेलिना जोली को कह रहे हैं ब्रैड पिट करके ऐसा मतलब they must have had a relationship till 80 यार 80
Yeah,
साल
award shows still
Check
do
this out. I will put this photo in the thing also. So you know.
Hey, but why is Pankaj Tripathi the pilot? I mean,
Oh dude.
That's
Ah,
hilarious, dude.
It's very funny.
That's so funny.
But as a culture we don't want to move on. आदमी 80 साल का बुढ़ा है
That's
यार.
true.
that's what I was saying. Even the award shows still do this. जब ये अमिताभ आया तो बाद में रेखा
देखा
आनी screen
हमेशा उसका रेखा का
एक
शॉट
cut
लगाएंगे
रहेगा, but why?
हमेशा bro dude like same thing when they used to do this for Priyanka Chopra when Shah Rukh used to come on stage
Oh yeah.
and vice versa.
Vice versa. Sure.
They used to do this for Kareena when Shahid would be on stage and vice versa. You know that shit.
Ranveer, Anushka, I
All
don't
that,
know,
all
of
that,
them.
all that,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah. Dude,
Fucking these
insane.
assholes,
God,
man.
80 years.
Yeah.
Dude,
बेचारा-
मानना पड़ेगा. That like forbidden.
में.
also.
For
Yeah.
8 years मतलब बचपन से थोड़ी चल रहा है उन लोग का.
But then Amitabh, you have to hand it to him, man. What libido है at
क्या
80? Yeah,
भाई,
great guy.
मस्त
He's doing
as-
Kalki and he's doing Kalki. Sorry, cut that out. Alright.
Oh man, cool.
Buzzers are ready, sir. We have 2 more songs in this game. Let us go. Let us
Yeah.
go. Again, buzzer ready. रुत आ रही है, रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं. रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों में होगा हल्का नहीं, हल्का नहीं, कौन जाने क्या होना है, हमको है अब क्या क्या सहना. I'll read that again.
Again,
I did a terrible
yeah.
job. रुत आ रही है, रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं. रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों में होगा हल्का नहीं, हल्का नहीं. कौन जाने क्या होना है, हमको है अब क्या क्या सहना.
Oh shit. ये hint लगेगा मेरे को. Hint. If you want.
Wait, just
हाँ. I think I just अगर एक tune मिल गया ना, I think we can get it. Either of us.
It's one of you is gonna get it. Just
Yeah. I'm just trying to
let's
I am
try to
guessing it's
get-
maybe,
कर ले.
but if I'm wrong, I cannot answer again.
Yeah.
But when you give the hint, I can answer.
yeah.
Yeah. हाँ कर ले.
Is it Aona?
नहीं.
Okay. Then I need a
Oh,
hint.
that one.
Yeah.
No, not.
I need a hint.
Hint bro.
Okay.
I can't. Nothing.
Half for half then
Okay.
is it's gonna be simple. So buzzers are ready. Okay. रुत आ रही है, रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं. रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों में होगा हल्का नहीं, हल्का नहीं. कौन जाने क्या होना है, तुमको है अब क्या क्या सहना. यस,
कभी अलविदा ना
कभी
कहना.
अदा ना कहना. यस.
You got it.
Super.
आधा
I think he
2.5.
gets Shah Rukh
2.5.
songs right.
song. I've seen a lot of Shah Rukh movies.
2.5.
Sorry, Badshah. Sorry.
My wife
No
is
offense.
so
Nothing
proud.
personal.
The last song in this
कौन सी
game.
मिल रहा है यार? हाँ.
Last song in this game is as follows. We have one more game after this, so let's quickly do
Yeah,
this.
Yep.
ठीक है. The last song is as follows. अंदर कितनी गर्मी है, बाहर कितनी सर्दी है, तूने बेदर्दी मेरी हालत कैसी कर दी है. उफ, अंदर कितनी गर्मी है, बाहर कितनी सर्दी है, तूने बेदर्दी मेरी हालत कैसी कर दी है. दिल में बसा ले अपना बना. यस.
तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1.
Yeah, correct. That's I'll accept that. The answer is सोना कितना सोना है. But
सोना
तू
कितना
मेरा
सोना.
तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू. Shubham, bro, killed it. Fucking destroyed, bro.
Dude, ये
You
वाला
fucking
पूरा-
Amitabh Bachchan you are, bro. Like in Kalki.
रेफरेंसेस अमिताभ बच्चन कहीं भी जाता
अश्वत्थामा है. But
Ashwatthama
नवाज
ji.
वाला.
बट वेल डन आई एक्सपेक्टेड
It's very, very well done.
Very well
Very
done.
well done.
Very well done.
Very. So full 5 points for Shubham. Let's see where we stand at the end of this game also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Audience
Audience first.
21.
Audience at 21 still? Yes, of course. They didn't
yes
get
of course
Varun is at 33.
One was at 33. Okay.
Shubham is at 45.
45, bro.
That's our internal ages also. Yes.
Very cool. All right. Cool. 45 in the lead. Varun,
Still
you might still be able to catch up.
can do it yeah
Because the next game is starts off with 10 points.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
but the points keep decreasing as the game goes on. So you understand what I mean. The next game is called Bollywood Jasoos. Bolly Jasoos. Okay, how this works is there is a movie in my head. Okay, you guys have a combined 11 questions
okay
to 11 yes or no questions to determine what the movie is that is in my head. It's like 21 questions but 11 instead
Right,
of 21.
right.
Okay. Before that, I'll give you a category so you can choose a movie in that category. So you have a starting off point. It's just not aimlessly, how long will that go on.
Got it.
I will also tell you a few more hints about the film, like the decade it released in and its rating on IMDb
Yeah.
or on Rotten Tomatoes, depending on what I have listed. This is again to establish like a certain caliber of film you're thinking of again, so you're not just shooting in the dark everywhere. All right. Let's go. The categories are as follows. You guys are a team till you answer.
okay.
What that means is it's encouraged that you discuss and ask the question because there are only 11 questions to
Yeah,
ask.
yeah.
But whoever asks me the winning question or asks me the name of the movie, give me the name of the movie, takes all the remaining points.
You have
that
to
are left.
ask the name of the movie.
No, you can say it.
Okay.
Got it.
If you're wrong, then I'll count it as a question. If you're right, then I won't count it as a question. I'll give you the remaining points, whatever.
Got it.
left.
All right.
Okay.
ठीक है cool
So again, as I said, it starts at 10 points
Got
because the 11 questions, because the first question does not have any minus points.
yeah
But then every answer, every question after that is one lesser
less.
point that you can win in this game. All right. Simple enough. The best way to understand these games is by playing them. The categories in which I want you to choose to guess a movie are as follows. These are categories. The first one is no. These are movies where the hero or the heroine dies. ये कहाँ आ गए हम? These are travel or road films. Movies with stand-up comedians. Movies that feature at least one Indian stand-up comedian. The next one is अरे तू फिर से. Movies with double roles. And the last one is कितने आदमी थे? Movies where multiple guys are after one woman's affections.
With number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3, movies with stand-up comedians. All right, good sirs. You're choosing a movie
Alright.
which has
So
at
we
least...
can choose the category only once for this entire round.
No.
No. So every time once this movie ka guess gets over, then we come back, depending on the time we have. We have
Alright.
ample.
Yeah.
Ample.
Let's
ठीक है?
go ahead.
Fun times.
Yeah,
Let's go. The
times.
third one. This is a movie with a stand-up comedian in it. At least one stand-up comedian in it.
Yeah.
It released in the 2010s. That is between 2010 and 2020.
Yeah.
Okay, 2010 and 2020 के बीच में. And it's rated 6.7 on IMDb.
Okay.
So you know again what caliber of film you're thinking of. So again, 2010s, 6.7 on IMDb, and it has a stand-up comedian in it.
Okay.
You can start this thing. You have 5 minutes to ask me 11 questions.
Right. देख या तो पूछना है कि
I'm starting your timer.
got it. Does 2010 to 2020, right? Does it is the stand-up comedian
You can ask it. You can say it. You can.
I can say it
You
all.
can think on
is
mic.
the
Yeah.
stand-up comedian cast with a Khan? Would be my first question.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go with that?
Yeah, ask
Same
the
question.
question.
Okay. So the question is official. First one: is the stand-up comedian in this movie cast with a lead actor who is a Khan?
Yes.
Oh!
That's one question done. Yes.
Okay. Is this Delhi Belly?
No, it's not Delhi.
Oh fuck.
Fuck! मेरे को भी लगा वही है. Oh my fucking God.
Okay. So
Okay, I'll ask the next question.
You can decide. Whatever you
Apna-
all see.
As per
You can
teams, one
absolutely be an asshole and just ask also.
Yeah.
But it's encouraged that you
Yeah.
listen because there are only 11 questions. But you can do whatever you want.
I
Do whatever
want to ask if the movie has Sunny Leone in it.
Okay.
Ask.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the movie like? Does the movie have Sunny Leone in it?
No, it is not. It's not in this.
It's
Masti.
not Masti
Masti
Zade
Zade.
also.
You could have just asked that also. I could
Yeah,
have.
dude, why?
Yeah,
Why did you complicate it?
I think I'll ask the question then.
No, you can
Alright,
ask,
you
bro.
can go for it.
Someone has to win. No,
Yeah.
that's the game.
Is the movie Bar Bar?
No, it's not Bar Bar.
Oh fuck. वो है ना रोहन जोशी था उसमें.
Wow, I don't even remember.
Shit.
What else can I ask, man? 2010s
Yeah.
comic with a Khan. IMDb
Not-
6.7.
Comic with a Khan. हाँ यार shit मैं बार बार क्यों बोला?
So once it's 5 questions in, right? You can start discussing with the audience also if you need to.
Once it's 5. Right now it's been 3.
It's been 4 questions up to now.
Oh, 4 questions. Oh shit.
शाहरुख कौन है? सैफ के साथ कोई था? Is this Go Goa gone?
Not Goga gone.
Fuck. Do you
Now you,
know?
can, now you can also discuss and
हाँ.
chime in if you want. Question
Question
5.
five.
आप यही पूछ लो, या तो जॉनी लीवर है कि नहीं स्टैंड अप क्योंकि वही वो हुआ तो
फिर तो खत्म है गेम. कितना करेंगे?
Man.
हाँ एक्चुअली वही पूछते हैं.
या फिर इज इट अ मॉडर्न स्टैंड अप कॉमिक ये पूछ सकते हो, बट मॉडर्न डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा.
Hey, wait, let's. Who is the Khan?
Yes or no?
नहीं,
Has
yes
to
or
be,
no
no?
question.
Oh, yes or no
question.
question.
Yeah.
Okay. Does the movie have Johnny Liver? Is he the
No,
comic in
no
it?
Johnny Lever.
No Johnny Liver. So it has to be somebody modern. Modern मतलब
3:45 is done. You have 1 minute 15 seconds.
दास की हो सकती है कुछ लिस्ट थी उसकी,
उसका देख. हाँ यार.
समथिंग की लिस्ट ऐसा मूवी था, बट 2010 की नहीं थी वो शायद.
नहीं बट द मूवी हैज अ खान. तो सैफ के साथ गो गोआ कौन गया तो वो नहीं है. मस्ती ज़्यादा थोड़ा गया.
क्या लगा शुभम?
हाँ राजू
I'm stuck at the Khan, but I can't.
कौन सा है यार? हाउसफुल कोई तो एक मूवी था ना जिसमें सारे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस जैसा कुछ पूरा उसमें ही सैफ था. ओह शिट. अरे कुछ तो एक बहुत गंदा फ्लॉप मूवी था ना यार, साजिद खान ने बनाया था.
Oh,
Not या
हमशक्ल.
हमशक्ल. नो इट्स नॉट हमशक्ल. नहीं आई डोंट थिंक. देयर इज वन मूवी वेयर दे क्रैम्ड ऑल द ये लाफ्टर चैलेंज.
आई थिंक बॉम्बे टू गोवा जैसी.
हाँ बट उसमें खान कौन था यार? खान नहीं है उसमें. हाँ नहीं खान नहीं है. Dude, we are out of time.
You are literally out of time. You have 15 seconds, but I'll give you 2-3 more questions quickly if you can ask them. What I would say
Who's the
is-
director? Again, yes.
What is this?
We are getting shit at this game.
I will
Is the
say
comedian active? ऐसा पूछ सकते हो.
Yeah, he's a comedian actor. Good question. Good question.
okay. Yes, very active. I would say
Uh,
as a stand-up comic. Yes.
is the comedian English speaking comedian?
Yeah, English and Hindi he does.
Okay, fair enough. तो
But
modern
English,
वाला भाई,
very
Makes
quite
it
often
more
English.
difficult. Fuck me.
लाफ्टर वाले तो नहीं है.
लाफ्टर वाले नहीं है तो मॉडर्न वाले हैं. केनी कनन, शिट, तन्मय इमरान हाशमी नहीं. तन्मय कौन सा मूवी में था? नहीं था.
I think it's that Kanan Gill movie with Sonakshi Sinha.
बट उसमें कोई खान है क्या?
हो सकता
खान
है.
नहीं है.
You
खान
never
नहीं है
know.
ना.
हो
So
सकता
you can
है.
ask it if you want.
Does the movie has Sonakshi Sinha?
Nope.
ठीक है.
I think.
You can just ask if it has Kanan Gill. why are you going the other way?
We are
Oh,
learning
dude.
as we play.
I swear we thought कि this
I'll
is gonna.
pass, man. I don't know.
नहीं, I think we are out of time. Let's just.
Oh, yeah, out of time.
Yeah.
The movie has, I'll tell you, Shah Rukh Khan in it.
What? What the fuck?
It's been directed by the one and only Yash Chopra. Ji.
Holy shit! जब तक है जान.
Yeah, bro.
अरे वरुण
God,
ठाकुर. Oh
Varun
my
Thakur.
god.
Nobody gets points, but Varun Thakur.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Varun bhai.
Fuck यार.
Cool. Nobody gets points there. But ठीक है, you get it. Good enough.
Yeah.
Good enough. That was fun.
Great question.
Let's go to the next. Please choose another category again, guys. You gotta choose the category again. The ones remaining are no. These are movies with hero or heroine dying. ये कहाँ गए हम? Travel road
बोल
films.
इस बार.
अरे तू फिर से double road films and कितने आदमी थे? Where multiple guys are
Let's
after one.
go with 2. ये कहाँ आ गए हम? Travel road films.
Alright, ये कहाँ गए हम? Travel or road films. These are, I will tell you, this movie was again 2010s, between 2010 and 2020. 7.9 on IMDb. So it's highly rated. Okay? It's, so you know, it's a 7.9 highly rated film to 2010 to 2020 के बीच में. And it's a travel road film. Travel/road film.
Doesn't help at all.
I have my first question ready.
बोल.
बोला बोला.
बस.
Do you want to discuss?
नहीं. तू बोलना है. कुछ भी help करेगा.
Does the movie have Farhan Akhtar in it?
No.
Okay.
That's 1 point less for everyone.
Hey, wait. Did you mention the timeline of the release?
2010.
2010.
2010s.
10s. Okay.
Like 2010 or 2020 के बीच में.
Road movie था. Travel
I
road
think we are back to asking. क्या इसमें वीरदास है? I think if you want to ask.
नहीं. I want to know कि if there is any main lead. अपना खान लोग क्या पूछते हैं?
क्या इसमें सैफ अली खान है?
खान kind of थोड़ा हो जाएगा ना.
Bro, 2010s में कौन सा खान
Road movie
किया है?
क्या
I
है?
don't think कोई road movie किया है कोई भी खान 2010s.
Hit movie है क्या बनाने का?
Hit ही है 7.9 तो I think hit ही है.
Highly rated ना. Shit.
Firstly, highly rated does not have to mean a hit.
I know.
Box office
I
wise.
think sleeper hit तो हो ही सकता है.
But I'll tell you, this one was both. Yes.
This one was both.
Yeah.
Shit.
I think that's the next question, man.
Which one?
कि वीरदास है क्या इसमें? Yeah. I mean, सैफ अली खान है क्या? सैफ अली खान और वीरदास दोनों है क्या इसमें?
पूछ ले.
सैफ अली खान और वीरदास दोनों है क्या इसमें?
नहीं.
वहाँ की
But it's a travel road film again.
तू क्या मूवी सोच रहा था by the way?
गोवा कौन सोच रहा था?
करते हैं ना ट्रैवल रोड पे वो लोग.
अबे तो कोई भी मूवी में अगर गाड़ी लेके चल रहा है रोड मूवी कैसे हो गया?
वाह, 2 ही मूवी याद आ रहा था 2010 में ट्रैवल रोड फिल्म दोनों गेस कर लिया.
Oh fuck. Oh yes.
Man, what other
मेरे को
questions?
खान है क्या?
So see. By travel or road film, it means there is travel and road whatever thing is a significant part of the film. It may not be the main plot point and all.
Sure. Does the movie has any
Khan
male
hero.
Khan in it? Male Khan.
Yes, it does.
I think I know the movie.
Yes.
Karma.
No, not Khan.
ठीक है.
I thought it's Irfan
ठीक
Khan.
है. Yeah. So there is a male Khan.
There's a male Khan. Fardeen Khan तो नहीं है for sure.
You can narrow down the Khan also if you want,
Yeah.
right? Like say, is it the big 3? Is it the
Yeah.
smaller 5 or whatever you wanted to say?
Who's the smaller 5?
I don't know.
Fucking know.
Everyone just keeps talking about big 3.
Does it have either of these three? Shahrukh, Salman, Saif.
और आमिर ना.
नहीं. Shahrukh, Salman, Amir.
Yes.
Yes.
One of Shahrukh Salman Amir.
One
Yes,
of.
one of Salman.
Oh.
Okay.
3.5 minutes done, by the way.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll narrow the Khans down. एक question. Go ahead.
Movie, can I guess the movie? Does it reduce? Oh, हाँ, of course
Yeah,
it
yeah.
reduces the
पूछ ले.
point.
But also now
हाँ,
audience please.
now
But
the
yeah,
audience. क्या लगता है भाई?
अभी ये गाना गा रहे थे वो मूवी को
गाना गा रहा था.
okay, that's a good one.
Oh.
But I think it's before 2000. No, I think it's after 2010.
हाँ.
After
नहीं, नहीं,
2010s.
2010 to 2020.
हाँ, नहीं, नहीं.
I have another guess. I think it
पूछ
could genre पूछ
नहीं, नहीं,
सकते
but
हैं.
it
Good
has to be
idea,
yes,
good idea.
yes or no, ना. So we have to.
I think it's a slice of lime.
या फिर आप ये पूछ सकते हो इंडिया में होते हैं या बाहर होते हैं कहाँ
Oh, good question, man.
पूछ ले.
इंडिया में घूमते हैं, बाहर घूमते हैं.
नहीं, नहीं,
भाई.
yes
or
Do
no?
they do they क्या कैसे
Do
तो
they travel in India?
No.
Okay, so abroad है.
narrows down more on that movie you mentioned.
कौन सा movie? अच्छा, okay.
Is it My Name is Khan?
It is my name.
Thanks, Divij.
5 points. 5 points.
Effectively
But so I want to give Shubham the points, but I also want to give Divij because
Yeah,
that was-
yeah, sure.
what a help.
100%.
What a
Yeah.
help.
100.
Also,
Great,
you know,
great,
I literally was
question,
singing the
man.
song and I realized, fuck, I can't be singing this song.
You are amazing.
one, man.
As a
Great.
person.
What a catch, though. What a catch, bro.
well
Nicely done. Nicely done. Very cool.
My man of the match is dedicated to Divij.
I don't think, you need to fucking. उसको जाएगा. Audience is the.
Cool. So that's.
Bollywood
I am surprised how Varun did not go. Isn't My Name is Khan? मैं 5 सेकंड दिया तेरे को कि तेरे को याद है.
Yeah.
That was 5 for Shubham and for the audience. Okay. ठीक है. Let's do one more. This is very fun.
Yeah.
Let's do one final one. The categories you guys have
I
left.
think we'll
is-
let Divij choose this.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. But these
Yeah.
are the categories. I'll just repeat the categories that are available.
Go ahead.
It's one of them is No, which is movies where the hero or heroine dies. Then you have
Are Tu Fir Se.
Are Tu Fir Se, which is movies with double roles, or the
And
last one,
Kitne
Kitne Aadmi The, which is movies where multiple guys are after one woman's affections.
बोल भाई.
5. Number 5.
कितने
Kitne Aadmi, are you both fine with that?
ठीक है,
ठीक
fine.
है. Kitne Aadmi The, movies where multiple guys are after one woman's affections. I'll tell you that this movie is again 2010s,
No shit.
Yeah.
but 2.7
Woohoo, I think I know the movie
on IMDb.
already.
2.7 on IMDb. 2010s. You can start your questioning and your timer starts.
I have
now.
the first
Is
question.
it Hum Shakals?
It is not Hum Shakals.
Ah, bitch. Okay,
It's too bad.
2.7
2.7
and 2010s.
Also, I must say, I don't think it's 2.7 bad.
Okay.
I would say I would give it more like 6, 5.5 to 6 के आसपास. 2.7 is too extreme according to me.
Is it? I want to ask that. Is it directed by Sajid Khan?
हाँ. मैं वो पूछ रहा हूँ.
Is it directed by Sajid Khan?
No, it's not.
Wow. Now we are in the pool of deaths.
Is the genre comedy?
No, not
No.
really.
Oh, fuck.
Not really.
Okay.
Okay,
There are some
now-
comedic scenes and all, but
Yeah,
that's
but
about it.
not
Okay,
very
I
well.
have a question.
So multiple guys after one woman's affections, 2010s and
Multiple
2.7.
guys, 2010s, and sorry, 2.7.
2.7 IMDb, yeah.
Just a clarification on the question. By multiple, it can be 2 guys also, right?
It can be 2
More
or
than
more.
one.
Yeah. 2 or
2
more.
or more. Huh.
2 or
I
more.
want
yeah.
to ask if the movie has Arjun Kapoor. in it.
Okay.
Does the movie have Arjun Kapoor?
Yes.
Is it
Aurangzeb?
Gunde?
It is good. He got it.
Oh shit.
He got it. He got it. He got it. 7 points.
गुंडे में कितना डबल रोल है अर्जुन कपूर का?
Double role.
Double
नहीं
role कहाँ
था.
है?
What is the question? Double roll?
These are movies where
fucking
multiple guys are after one woman's
idiot.
affections, bro.
Oh,
You
fuck.
fucking idiot. I was like, you had the question. I was
Yeah.
like, ये गुंडे
How did you
बोलेगा.
ask? Oh, Arjun Kapoor. You thought it was Aurangzeb.
Yeah, I was so locked in. हाँ पूछ.
Wow, bro.
I was
What
so
are the
ready
odds?
कि he's going to go say गुंडे.
Wow, dude. It was
Holy
too
shit,
much.
dude.
Wow.
बिल्ली
ये वाला
ने
तुम्हें
झपका मारा है।
130 के अंदर आ गया ये वाला.
Damn it. Nice
माँ
one, nice.
कसम bro.
ठीक है, very cool. I
Cool.
think we can this thing. That's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
You get 7 points, man.
Yes. हाँ.
See you.
Okay, wait. We'll just wait.
Yeah,
for,
we'll wait for
our score calculator.
score calculator, score keeper.
7 points.
Also
for-
on record, what a dumb fuck reading at questions.
7.
Yeah, what was that?
I just
Just
thought in
zoned
my
out.
head, is
It happens. The mind
The
tricks.
thing
Yeah.
is कि you knew you're gonna win. तो
No, that's not
Yeah.
the point. नहीं यार ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है।
So 7 points right now for
Take
Varun right here.
Yeah.
Card it.
That's it. Cool guys. That was the end of the episode. This was what a fun time. What a fun
Amazing
game.
questions.
Very
Great
cool.
questions.
Thank you so much, guys. Time for the final scores. How was your That Filmy Game Show experience? First time on.
Amazing. I
Shubham
am
sir.
not. It was very good. I think और खेलना है मेरे को. I want to come back.
Hey,
Definitely.
please, happily. You guys will be
Yeah.
great to have
Yeah.
back, obviously.
Yeah,
By all means.
yeah.
Dude, like, so I've been saying this for years now on the show where I'm like, oh, I will get the winners to play against other
Play against
winners
each other, yeah.
and then losers to play against other losers because
Yeah.
that'll again be so fun.
I
Endless
want to
comedians.
play with Divij, man. That
You're
would
playing
be
Divij is the
amazing.
baller, bro.
Yeah,
He's been
yeah.
killing it. Dude, every time Divij gets so many answers, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But dude,
One of the most names shouted out people on the show ever is Divij.
gorgeous.
I think I
man,
want to play with
gorgeous.
Varun also.
You're still hoping for more points.
Prettiest audience member today. I want to play with Varun again to give him a chance to avenge.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
also want to play with other winners. The
Yes,
toughest
absolutely.
ones who got like 100 points or something.
Dude, damn fun.
Cool.
Damn
Very
fun.
cool.
I will be
very
the
cool.
giant killer in this Euros of.
And I also want to
Mumbai.
say to all the audience members, all the viewers who are watching, and you think कि हाँ ये इसको कैसे नहीं है? It's much difficult
Absolutely, dude.
to do
Dude,
this on the spot.
Yeah.
Always on the spot, your brain stops
Yeah.
working, dude. That is
Yeah.
definitely part of it.
It's easy.
Sitting in the comfort of your home,
You
pause it.
and then you think, balls.
Yeah.
It's much difficult.
Yeah, that's all right, dude.
I am
Basically,
yeah.
proud of the versus round. Both of us.
That
How
was
he
you
got
murder,
Mohabbat,
bro.
man.
You killed it in that, for sure.
I
for
am
sure.
very happy कि I didn't eat that much shit. I mean,
Yeah,
with
yeah.
all due respect, I mean, I love these guys, but I
Yeah.
think collectively we both were better than Govind and Usha.
Again.
Please check out Govind and Ushan's podcast.
Content.
Madam, I'm
Again,
producing it.
except the last part, my answer also same.
Okay, cool, very cool. The scores are ready? Alright, cool. I'll just go and correct it.
Also, all I want to say is watch all kinds of movies, all languages with subtitles. कौन सा वो director था जो बोला था कि once you get beyond that barrier of subtitles, you will be introduced to great cinema. Parasite का director बोला था?
Guillermo del
अबे,
Toro.
Guillermo?
नहीं,
Was
नहीं,
it Parasite's
Parasite,
director?
dude.
Yeah.
उसका नाम भूल गया. ऐसे Bong Joon-ho.
हाँ,
Bong Joon.
that person.
You're sure that's the name? Because otherwise it's very racist what he just said.
नहीं, I'm pretty sure. Either it's Park Chan-wook or Bong Joon-ho. I mean,
Okay.
guys, गाली मत दो.
I
मैं try
don't
कर रहा
remember
हूँ.
the name, but I think it was Parasite's director.
If he's wrong, that's Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Absolutely.
All right, cool. Firstly, Divij, again, thank you so much for helping us through this episode and keeping score, and that you came. That is also great.
Thank you, Divij.
Because one more person literally bought a ticket. Who doesn't show up? This woman.
Please.
So okay, this woman has been texting me all week saying,
Really?
"Oh, I can't wait to come and watch the show live. I've already bought a ticket."
Yeah.
So I know it was this one person, this one lady who had bought this ticket. Okay. What she assumed, I imagine, is that यार और लोग होंगे, tension क्या है?
So now it's come to this. Audience members are also ghosting us.
Yeah,
So,
bro.
What the fuck?
What is happening?
As long as you're not in a medical emergency, if that is not the reason,
Yeah, for sure.
suck.
मैम ने तो भेजा फ्राई ही कर दिया एकदम.
Wow. All right. Let's see where we stand at the end of this episode. Coming in third place with a very respectable 23.5 is the audience.
Oh,
Is the audience. Very cool. Very cool.
thank God.
Okay.
God, मैं बस खुश
Coming
हूँ.
in at 40 points. Very close to the winner, I must say. With 40 points
I think I am
Is-
second venture.
मैं-
is Varun Nair.
I didn't eat shit.
Good competition,
very,
man.
Very happy.
Good game.
Very happy.
And-
very happy.
Being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah
Hey!
with 47.5
Holy
points. Very close match indeed. Shubham
Let's go.
Sejpal.
Mulund West.
इसके एडिट में पीछे
represent.
तन्ना नी नारे बजेगा क्या?
क्या बजेगा?
तन्ना नी नारे नारे.
Copyright हो जाएगा bro. I can't do it.
और
मैं ही मुंह से बजा देता हूँ.
Yeah, but accept in
Well
speech.
done. Well done.
Accept in speech. Accept in speech.
मैं हूँ बॉलीवुड का राजा
बेताज
बेताज बादशाह वर्सेस
बजाज।
राउंड भी मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड कौन सा था यार बट आई थिंक माई मॉम विल बी वेरी हैप्पी एंड प्राउड स्कूल के बाद मैं आज ही कुछ जीत रहा हूँ
Oh wow,
Nice,
nice.
nice.
except the
Suddenly,
Canvas Laugh Club
it
open
became
mic.
wholesome.
It's very, very nice to see that your mom loves you so much.
Yeah.
That
And it's
she only likes material things.
Yeah, and this might be good अगर ये उतने साल टिक गया तो obituary वाला फोटो इस पे लगा सकते हैं
Yeah, he was the biggest
Yeah.
Bollywood Badshah once in his life. Yeah.
पर इधर तिल डालना पड़ेगा वो फोटो है वैसे इधर बट इतना प्रोमिनेंट नहीं हो बड़ा वाला डालना पड़ेगा इधर
Okay.
Nice.
But
Lot of-
I had a lot of fun and but still not satisfied. Like I want to keep playing this. ऐसा एक
That's
एपिसोड
what, man.
होना
We
चाहिए
always
इधर
keep our audience wanting more.
एक एपिसोड वो होना चाहिए इधर रात भर दारू पी के 50 राउंड खेल रहे हैं हम लोग
Oh, bro, that's a party. That's
So, guys, if
But
you
that's how
want to,
you record and put it.
I'm gonna
make-
implement. If you guys want to hire Antariksh to
Please.
for your party, where
Please.
you can get these
100%.
gigs,
Yeah,
दारू
yeah,
वारू वो
yeah.
सब
if you're a corporate company who
Hi.
wants team building,
If you,
You know,
want your
who wants,
party to be greater than other parties, you know,
Yes.
we can
Oh.
drink greater than.
Yes, HR.
this is what you have to
the
do.
World.
This is what you have to do. Guys.
Hire him.
Always.
please.
Always.
Thank you. Thank you.
What do we say as a shout out for the show, man?
What do you say as a shout out?
Yeah, I mean, कुछ है क्या specific?
बस
shout
like
out?
share subscribe कर दो please. That
Guys,
is
like-
plenty बस.
Yes.
See, from the last 3 episodes, and every YouTuber will say this. Anyone who's done YouTube for any amount of time, like you
Yep.
guys,
Yep.
is that most people, more than about 80% of the people that watch your videos have not subscribed to your video.
100%.
So please, if you are watching and you're still sticking around to this episode,
Yes.
please do hit the subscribe
It is
button.
Guys,
free.
Yeah.
Idiots.
It's absolutely free. If you're enjoying it, why not? यार, it'll help me. तुम्हें क्या है? Tension क्या है?
Support karo.
Like karo this video को. Comment on whose performance you enjoyed. Why did you not enjoy the other person's performance? Who was your favorite to win before this thing, and who won?
Yes.
Then Shubham, you
Guys,
know.
I'm looking into both cameras and just requesting like, share, subscribe importantly because
Very
otherwise मैं एक दिन हॉस्पिटल में रहेगा कलोनाव के शाहरुख खान and be like subscribe
nobody-
नहीं करते यार मत
Yes.
चुद लोग
Yeah, you've not forgiven them.
Yeah,
Them you won't forgive.
Yeah, them I won't
Everyone else will forgive.
Saying this passionately like Amitabh Bachchan, subscribe करो
Okay, perfect.
Please
place
palat
to
for
end
other
it.
videos also.
Anything else to plug for? Anything coming up for you guys?
I keep performing every week in Thane and throughout the city, and we are doing this show called Shutter Down Comedy. So anyone watching this from close by to Thane, Shutter Down Comedy every Friday, Saturday,
Shut
Sunday
it
at
down,
Backspace.
down,
Exactly.
down.
Nice.
Shut it down.
Nice.
At Backspace Thane, and just follow all of
Follow
us.
Follow
Follow
everybody.
Divij also.
Follow
He's
everybody.
very good, man.
Follow Divij. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. I'll start
Yes.
including Divij's handle also.
Yeah,
Why not?
Follow Divij, follow Varun, follow me,
Yes.
follow Antariksh, follow everyone.
Yeah.
See comedy.
Nice. I think अब ज़्यादा follow बोल दिया लोग unfollow कर लेंगे.
Like, fuck these guys.
Don't
Don't
unfollow.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, guys. See you again next week. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Bye bye.